In this video, we'll show you how to set your booking availability. So first we'll set up our global settings by going to Other Settings, Booking Schedule, and you'll see that you have each day of the week represented. To make things easy, what we could do is, let's say you're open from Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. So we'll just add on Sunday, 9 to 5, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and you click Apply All. If you're closed on Sunday, just click the garbage can and Sunday will be closed, and the same thing with Saturday. So now your default is set from 9 to 5 on Monday through Friday. Now let's say on Fridays you get out early for the weekend, so we're just going to switch this from 5 o'clock to 3 o'clock, and boom, automatically saves. And now your calendar is set Monday through Thursday 9 to 5, and on Fridays from 9 to 3. These are the times it'll be available for booking. Now you could override this. These are default settings, but if you go into appointments or products and services, let's go to appointments for this, and we'll edit. You'll see a little calendar icon up here, and you just click that, and you can choose to use global settings for this appointment. Now this comes in handy if you have specific appointments or events, etc. That's for a specific that overrides the times that you created the default. Click Use Custom Settings, and you can set the availability for this particular appointment. Like, let's say you're a podcaster and you only want to do podcast meetings, recordings on Monday from, let's say, 9 a.m. to 11. 11 a.m. And let's say on Wednesdays at 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Click Save these settings. So now this appointment, you'll see, is only available from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. or 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. You could delete it and it'll go back to the default, or you could edit it just by clicking the little edit button and click Save these settings. Another thing you could do is that if you have an event or a particular type of meeting you want to set up that's only available for a specific set of dates, just click Add Dates, and you can choose from your calendar, let's say May 9th through the 14th. And so now you can create a date range, and we'll just add, let's say 9 to 5, apply to all, and we'll say on these days for that week you're available, let's say you're only available till 3 p.m. I'm just going to apply that all, and boom, everything gets updated at 3 p.m. Create date range, and now you have date range for specific days or dates, and you'll see May 14th, sorry, Sunday, May 9th through May 14th. These are the times you're available for this appointment. And of course, you could always delete it, etc., and go back to global settings. Just make sure you click your Save Changes, and that's how setting up your scheduling works.